Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to upcycle a glass bottle using the decoupage technique. So without any further delay, let's get started with the tutorial. First, let's apply some gesso using a sponge applicator. Here I'm using the Camlin gesso. You can use white acrylic color if you don't have gesso. Gesso is used as a primer and helps to bring out the colors of your project. Right now, I am not applying gesso on the base of the bottle as it may smudge when I keep the bottle upright. So I'll complete the base of the bottle later. Make sure to apply the gesso on the lid as well. You may need 2 to 3 coats of gesso to hide the label underneath. Today I am using this floral design decoupage tissue. You can also cut out a design from a magazine or laser print a design of your choice. I'll begin applying water around the edge of my design using a paintbrush. Gently begin tearing along the wet edge of the design. Carefully separate the other 2 layers of the tissue. I am using the Podge decoupage glue for sticking my design. I'll start applying the glue from the center and then using another dry brush, I'll press down my tissue on the bottle. This way I won't have any wrinkles or air bubbles under my tissue. If you don't have decoupage glue, you can mix Fevicol and water in the proportion of 2:1. That is, if you take 2 spoons of Fevicol, then you need 1 spoon of water. Mix it well and use it. After this, apply the decoupage glue all over the design to seal it. Now that my bottle has completely dried, I am going to use the sunshine yellow chalk paint for the background. You can use acrylic paints instead. Make sure you color around the neck of the bottle as well. I felt that the previous background color was too bright in comparison to the colors of the design, so I toned down the dark yellow background by mixing some white acrylic paint. I feel this looks better now. And now finally, we are going to apply some decoupage varnish on the entire bottle. Varnish helps to make the project waterproof. So in future, you can always clean your bottle under a running tap, but please avoid scrubbing it as it may peel off the colors. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and I am sure you too will try giving a makeover to the glass bottles lying around in your kitchen. If you loved today's video and want to watch such more interesting videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.